Hello friends, welcome to VTC Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to solve an example. So let us find how many terms of an arithmetic progressions 1, 4, 7 so on are needed to make the sum of 715. So the given series is 1, 4, 7, and here we have the value of a as 1 and the common difference would be here t2 minus t1. Here the second term is 4 and the first term is 1. So the difference of 4 and 1 would be here 3, which is nothing but the common difference. And also given the value of Sn as 715. So here in this example we have to find the value of n. So we already know the formula for sum of n terms, which is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And now let us substitute all the values in this formula. So here the value of n is unknown. So let us write over here n divided by 2 into 2 into a is nothing but 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d. We have here the value of d, which is nothing but a common difference, as 3. So this would come as n divided by 2 into 2 plus, and now let us multiply 3 with the group n minus 1. So this would come as 3 into 1 as 3n minus 3. According to the given question, the sum of n terms is given as 715. So let us equate this with 715. And in the next step, this can be written as n divided by 2 into 3n, and here 2 minus 3 would come as minus 1 is equal to 715. Now let us cross multiply here. So this would come as n into 3n minus 1 is equal to 715 into 2. That implies we get n into 3n as 3n square minus n is equal to, and by multiplying 715 and 2 we get 1430. Now let us transfer RHS term to the left hand side. So we get here 3n square minus n minus 1430 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in n, and we get here the values of a as 3, b as minus 1 and c as minus 1430. So in order to find the roots of any quadratic equation, we have the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4c divided by 2a. Now by using this formula, let us find the values of n. Here we have b value as minus 1. So we get this as minus into minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 3 into minus 1430 divided by 2 into 3. So this would come as 1 plus or minus root of minus 1 whole square, value is here 1, and by multiplying 4, 3 and minus 1430 we get the value as 17,160 divided by, and in the denominator by multiplying 2 and 3 we get this as 6. So that implies we get this as 1 plus or minus root of 17,161 divided by 6. So this would come as 1 plus or minus, and here square root of 17,161 is a perfect square root and its root is 131. So let us write over here 131 divided by 6. So that implies we get here 1 plus 131 divided by 6 or 1 minus 131 divided by 6. So on adding 131 and 1 in the numerator, here we get 132 divided by 6. And coming over to here, if we subtract minus 131 from plus 1, we get here minus 130 divided by 6. So therefore, we get the value of 132 divided by 6 as 22, and we get the value of minus 130 divided by 6 as minus 65 divided by 3. As here, the number of terms cannot be minus 65 divided by 3, as this is the fraction. So the required number of terms would be 22. So this is how we solve an example on arithmetic progressions. Hope you understood the concept. To like this video, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.